Hey there and welcome to this video. My name is Pete, and if you've ever wondered how AI can give your business a real boost, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one specific industry example of how AI Receptionist can help you capture every call and every opportunity while your team is busy or outside your business hours. And if you would like a free demo for your business, just check out the link in the description and connect with us. All right, let's dive in.
Dog training. How can I help you today?
Hi, can you tell me how does your board and train work?
Sure. Our board and train program is designed to provide intensive hands-on training for your dog while they stay with us. During their stay, professional trainers work on specific behaviors, obedience, and any challenges you want addressed. It's a great option if you're looking for faster results or need help with more complex issues. Typically, the program includes daily training sessions tailored to your dog's needs, socialization with other dogs, if appropriate, updates on your dog's progress, a follow-up session to teach you how to maintain the training at home. The length of the program and the focus areas depend on your dog's age, behavior, and your goals. Would you like me to gather your details so a trainer can explain the program in more detail and recommend the best fit for your dog?
Yes, I have a month-old.
Got it, a 4-month-old pup. That's such a fun age, but I know it can come with its challenges. What breed is your puppy? And what are the main behaviors or goals you're hoping to focus on with training?
She's a toy poodle, so basically crate training, some nipping, some typical obedience. She can do sit, stand, but I wanted to see if we can add a little bit more to get her to be a little more obedient.
All right, so you've got a 4-month-old toy poodle who's already got a great start with sit, stay, and stand. Nice work. It sounds like you're looking to build on that foundation with more obedience training, plus tackle crate training, and address the nipping. Totally makes sense for her age. What's her name? I'll make sure the trainer has all the details to personalize their recommendations for you. What a sweet name.
Also, she has that I wanted to tackle.
Got it. So Ella Rose has some anxiety you'd like to work on as well. That's definitely something the trainer can help with, alongside the crate training, nipping, and building her obedience skills. What's the best phone number for the trainer to reach you? I'll make sure they have everything they need to follow up with you. Thanks. So that's 6 right?
Correct.
Perfect. And what's the best email address for us to send program details?
Gmail.com.
Got it. So that's correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. Just to recap, you've got a 4-month-old toy poodle, and you're looking to work on crate training, nipping, obedience, and addressing her anxiety. Did I get all that right?
Yes, sorry, separation anxiety.
No need to apologize. You're all good. I'll pass this along to the trainer, and they'll reach out to you soon to go over the program and next steps. You're in great hands. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No.
We will send you a quick follow-up message after this call. Thanks again, and bye for now.
All right, thanks so much for watching. If this sounds like something you would love to implement into your business, whether to handle calls, support your customers on your website, or just make sure you never miss an opportunity even when you're busy, then give it a try. You can start a 14-day trial below or let us fully build and implement it for you. If you didn't see your industry covered in this particular video, check out some of the additional videos in our description or submit a quick request for a free demo and we'll tailor it just for you. We've seen some incredible results across many industries and we're excited to help you capture every opportunity. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.